My Monarchs, welcome back. Sorry I've been MIA, but there was a lot going on in my life that I was a bit busy and didn't really have the motivation to do my videos, but I'm back and better. This week we're doing this set of marble nails. I've been wanting to do this set since the very beginning, but I didn't really end up doing them for whatever reason. I'm using the Astound nail kit from Amazon, which I'll be leaving the link down below. I'm starting off with filing down my natural nails. Not too much though. Do not forget to dust off any residue left behind from filing. I'm always using my Ultra Bound primer on my natural nails before I apply the base coat. Pouring in my slip solution onto my damp dish with my polygel brush, I'm dipping it in to soften the brush. I'm going to be using the soft pink polygel color from this nail set. It looks like this. Now to use my base coat onto all my nails and curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. Now that they're all cured and dry, let's go ahead and get started. I have my dual forms pre-measured, starting off with my thumb all the way to my pinky. I like to brush some slip solution onto my dual forms to have it more smooth, or I guess ready for when I apply the polygel onto it. Apply a good amount of polygel. If you ever need more, you can always add more. Make sure all the edges are filled good with polygel. We don't want the edges to be flexible and for them to break easily. You can always turn around the dual form just to see from the opposite side how much polygel is in what area. I like how dual forms have lines in them so we can see how long we want them and to make sure they're straight. Of course, we do also file them down so they don't have to be perfect when forming. Place onto fingernail and cure that for 120 seconds or until dry. Make sure you hold it in place in case you don't have nail clips so that it's flat onto your natural nail. To remove, we twist left, we twist right, keep twisting, and voila, you got our first nail done. And look how easy and cute they look after filing down just the edges. Of course, don't forget to remove all the residue left behind from filing down the nails. Let's continue on with the rest of our nails. Repeating the same method, apply, mold, cure, and remove. I did file my nails off camera. After all that, once again, just dust off all the residue left behind from filing down the nails. Now to apply some top coat onto nails, curing that for 120 seconds or until dry. Okay, so hear me out. I like to think of the designs either on the spot or I got inspo from somewhere. I pictured something different from this set of nails. It didn't come out as expected, so I had to do the right thing, which is erase the design because I used paint and start all over again. I went from flowers to stars to finally a marble set. So, for the design of the marble effect, I guess if you want to call it like that, I used this flat brush number 6, and I am using white acrylic paint. It's washable. I just started doing like little dots here and there. I was going to do, as you saw, some flowers with French tip, but of course, like I said, that didn't work. So as you can see, I'm just dragging my brush down, and kind of like damping into the nail to have that, marble effect. It does look more white color, and I did that on purpose because once you add the top coat, some of the white starts fading away. So make sure when you do marble set design, you put a little bit more of the color because it does get washed down, at least for me, in my opinion. And I want to say it because it's washable paint, so just keep an eye on that. I cured that for 120 seconds just to make sure that they were dry. Reapplying my top coat, curing that for 120 seconds. And of course, we cannot forget our lovely cuticle oil. Here we have the final results. Let me know in the comments below what else y'all want me to create or try. I'm here to entertain you guys with these beautiful nails. Hope you guys enjoy this video. Love you guys, take care, and see you all in my next video. Bye!